The smallest one.
Come on, nag-share. Yes, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
From the District 38. And we have the President of London Rotary Club, Fanny Go. Nagsasagot ba kabalayan nila? Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
Friends of Rotary, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm donors and also the officers of RC Mactan, represented by Rotarian.
Philippines. Our district is District 3860. And then we have the International Club. The International Club is from District 3610, Korea. 2011-2012 President Jong Jun-tae. 2012-2013 President Kim Wong-ki. The Vice President Yang Byung-bun. Secretary Jae Seong-myung. The person who's responsible in bringing this project to Cebu, Rotarian. From Rotary Club of Mactan, we have the President, Brent Lapo. Rotarian Vic Rabago. The Vice President and President-elect Nancy Delano. Our Director, Ray Mangayaw. And also Rotarian from RCC Group. Okay, we would like
2011-2012 President Jong Jun-tae. 2012-2013 President Kim Wong-ki.
Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Kamsahamnida for your donation. Annyeonghaseyo, annyeonghaseyo. In behalf of the city government, I am here to welcome all.
Expenses arising from the project, including any acts or omission of the donor. Signed this 28th day of August 2012 in Cebu City, Philippines. On behalf of the donor, we have Fernando Maglapus, Jun Tae-jong, and on behalf of the donee, we have Mayor Michael Rama and Mr. Tani Ko.